Öyle? I'll find you. I will come and I will find you.
Where the fuck are you, Charles?
You're always away. For business sake, but you never tell me anything about your business.
I don't know what you do when you're away.
I work, I work. That's all I do, I just work.
The other day when I left you at the airport, I saw you pass in a taxi.
Okay, I don't know who you saw, but it definitely wasn't me.
But I saw you. From the start, you lie. What is the truth?
I'm a troubleshooter.
Do you kill people?
No, I don't kill people.
Ya no me da bárbaro. Me está mintiendo. We are not safe.
Of course we're safe.
How can I believe?